Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to completely disable push notifications on the Remind app. If you are getting too many alerts from Remind and want to focus on your work or studies without interruptions, first, open the Remind app on your device. Next, look at the top left corner and click on the three-line menu icon. Then look at the Settings icon and click on it. Then, select the Notifications option. Then, find your phone listed under the notification settings. Next to your device name, tap on the three-dot icon to open more options. From the menu that appears, select Turn Off Notification. This action will disable all push notifications from the Remind app on your phone, ensuring you won't receive any alerts unless you turn them back on. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with friends who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.